Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about replace function in JavaScript. Replace is a built-in JavaScript function. First, let us check this JavaScript file. I declared a variable blogName and I assigned a value Technursery. Then, using this blogName variable, I used replace method. Then I tried to replace character E with empty string. Then I assigned that string to this blogNameWithoutVowels variable, and using console.log function I printed it on the terminal. Let us check the output. Look at on the terminal, E is missing here, but even though there is one more E, it is not removed. That means by using blogName.replace of E, empty string, we are going to remove only first occurrence of the E in that string. Even though there is two E's in this Technursery string, we replaced only the first occurrence of the E with the empty string. That's why we got this output on the terminal. So, if we want to remove all the E's, not only all the E's, all the vowel characters, what will we do? Let me comment these lines and uncomment these lines. Here we have blogName variable. It is having the value Technursery. Here we are calling replace method on blogName variable. Instead of giving string directly, I used a regular expression here. Using this forward slash at the beginning and at the end, and brackets, I put aeiou. These are vowel characters. And this G stands for global. I stands for case insensitive. So, all the occurrence of aeiou, these are vowel characters, and any number of these characters will be replaced by this empty string from this blogName variable. So, let us check by running this file. Let me clear the terminal, run the file again. Look at here. When we run this replace method with a regular expression, we can see that it replaced all the occurrence of E's and character U also. That means even though E is 2 times on the Technursery string, that 2 occurrence also replaced but with the empty string, and U also replaced with the empty string. So I explained the replace method in JavaScript with the example. I hope you understand it. We used the replace method with single character and regular expressions. Let us try one more thing. Let me copy this one and comment and put it here. Instead of this regular expression, let me remove this one and let me type tech. Let me clear the terminal. Let me run the file again. Look at here. Here we tried replace a set of characters with empty string. So we tried the examples with a single character, with a regular expression, and with a set of characters or a string in a particular variable. We removed tech with the empty string here. So I hope you understood it. Thank you.